If you're looking for battery push lawn mowers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 battery push lawn mowers. Number 1, most popular, by Snapper. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by GreenWorks. Number 3, by Worx. For more details about these push lawn mowers products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Ego Power Plus. Number 5, by GreenWorks. Find these battery push lawn mowers at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7, by Black+decker. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Poulan Pro. Number 9, by Remington. Discover more battery push lawn mowers ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Echo.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.